profound and rapid changes in the history. We call it digital transition. It doesn't matter who you are, which company you work for, which industry you are coming from. It might be utilities, logistics, transportation, whatsoever. There are a couple of things we all have in common. And in order to materialize on them, let's look into some numbers, because they are stunning and they speak for themselves. First and foremost, there is a global emerging middle class, and this is great for everybody. And the reason why a global emerging middle class is great for everybody is the fact that global emerging middle class consumes more. And as middle class grows, and this really depends from country to country, this is a great opportunity for all of us. Because when you get more consumers buying more goods, the amount of information simply grows. Furthermore, there are 1 billion people now on social networks with power to instantly make or break brands. Intelligence is embedded everywhere. There are now more mobile devices than people. Think over it, more mobile devices than people. And I believe many of you have 2 devices, at least mobile phone and tablet. And basically we're not talking about only these fancy commodity devices, because soon 15 billion devices, 15 billion devices will be capable of connecting to internet. From cars, boats, washing machines, you can think of it. And all these devices are producing data every single fraction of seconds. And if we count only data which is fed back to mobile network, now adding these social networks, growing middle class, now we are talking about explosion of unstructured data produced by people, business applications, transactions, appliances, devices. And this data is completely useless if we are not able to connect bytes and pieces together. And for sure, you already heard about this big data challenge, as the amount of data doubles every single 18 months. Okay, you may say, what is all that supposed to mean for me in a country with rich tradition, here in South Europe? These are not my problems. We have people on the streets, some riots. I would like to, live my quiet, peaceful life. But actually, in some degree, I would like to agree with you. But the fact is that these trends are already impacting our business, our daily social interaction. I can assume majority of you have, I don't know, Facebook profile, LinkedIn profile. You all share your opinions, photos, some challenges with each other, with your peers. And you might also say that this has no business impact or no value, that there is no opportunity for growth. But it does, because this is not only a technological vibe in a way. Actually, this is reshuffling ways of social interactions. And believe me, everybody's touched individually. Might be open market organization, might be public organization. This is something you simply cannot deny. You can harvest on it, or you can simply miss the opportunity.